In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in Zoho Sheet. Whether you're new to Zoho Sheet or simply looking to customize your spreadsheet to suit your regional preferences, learning how to adjust date formats can be incredibly useful. This skill will ensure your data is not only easily readable, but also consistently presented. Let's dive in and go through the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by selecting the cell or the column that contains the dates you wish to format. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the necessary cells. It's important to be precise in this selection to ensure that only the desired cells are affected by the changes you're planning to make. Once you have your selection, head over to the Format menu, which you can find at the top of your Zoho Sheet interface. Click on the Format menu, and from the drop-down options, select Cell. Alternatively, if you're a fan of working from side panels for a bit more flexibility in your screen layout, you can open the Cell Formatting sidebar. Both methods will bring you to the same set of options, so feel free to choose the one that fits your workflow best. Now that you're in the Cell Formatting section, it's time to focus on the dates specifically. Within the Cell Formatting menu, you'll want to look for the Cell Format section. This area houses various formatting choices tailored to different types of data. Click on Date to specify that you wish to alter the date format for your selected cells. Once you've clicked on Date, you'll encounter a selection of predefined date formats. Some people may prefer to organize their dates by day, month, and year, while others might opt for month, day, and year. Zoho Sheet caters to these preferences with options like DD, YI, and MMDE, among others. Browse through these options, and once you find the format that suits your needs, simply click on it to apply the changes. Remember, once you apply the format, it's always a good idea to review your data to ensure that the changes reflect what you anticipated. Checking your work helps catch any potential mistakes or confirm that the appearance aligns with your needs. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can customize the date format in your Zoho Sheet to suit your requirements. This ensures your data remains clear and easily interpretable, enhancing both the efficiency and professionalism of your spreadsheet. So now that you've got this newfound skill, go ahead and give it a try. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial, and feel free to check out other helpful guides to make the most out of your Zoho Sheet experience.